Jupiter Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Jupiter Wallet app is fast becoming a favorite among Solana users, but what makes it stand out, and what are its weaknesses? Let's uncover the pros and cons of Jupiter so you can decide if it's right for your crypto journey. Starting with the pros, Jupiter's biggest strength is integration. It's tightly connected to the Jupiter Aggregator, which is the go-to DEX aggregator on Solana. This means you get access to the best token swap prices across multiple decentralized exchanges all within one wallet. Another big win is speed. Built on Solana, Jupiter transactions are lightning fast, with fees that cost just a fraction of a cent. This makes it a perfect wallet for users who trade frequently or interact with Solana-based dApps. The wallet also focuses on simplicity. Whether you're swapping, staking, or exploring new tokens, the interface is smooth and easy to navigate. It's perfect for newcomers who want to dive into the Solana ecosystem without confusion. On the security front, Jupiter is non-custodial. You control your private keys, and there's no centralized authority holding your funds. That's a major plus for users who value self-custody. But now, let's talk about the cons. Jupiter is exclusive to the Solana ecosystem, meaning if you hold tokens on Ethereum or other chains, you'll need a separate wallet. That can be limiting for multi-chain investors. Also, while it's fast and efficient, network outages on Solana can sometimes impact performance. When Solana experiences downtime, your Jupiter wallet is temporarily affected too. Lastly, since it's a newer platform, some users have reported minor bugs during heavy use, like connection issues with certain dApps or swap delays. In conclusion, the Jupiter Wallet app is perfect for Solana enthusiasts who want speed, simplicity, and the best swap rates available. It's lightweight, efficient, and user-friendly, but limited to a single blockchain. If your portfolio is Solana-focused, Jupiter is a smart choice.